everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a fall clothing guide and a few of the things that I purchased for fall and why I purchased them as well. So today I'm just sharing a few items I bought and also some tips for what you guys should buy for fall. Before we get into this, I guess I should describe my style. If I had to describe my style and how it's kind of been described from others, is it's like this polished, almost goth look because of how much black I have, but I'm trying to incorporate a little bit more color, better neutrals that I can use that kind of brighten my complexion a little bit more. Before doing this, I organized my closet by color, and I also just took everything out. I looked at everything and kind of decided what I had multiples of, what I bought too much of, and threw a few things out and decided what I needed replacements of. So for example, I needed a replacement of a black lace cami. It had just been worn to shreds is the best way I can put it. The lace was kind of peeling off and everything, but I love that look of having a cute lace top with a leather jacket or with a cardigan, denim jacket. It is just endless. It just gives you such a nice feminine touch to an outfit. I got that one from Nasty Gal. I also wanted a few sweaters that I could just throw on and not really feel the need to layer over. Just make sure to go through your closet and then just make a list of the things you need, and this will also prevent you from buying things that you don't need. Another thing I did was search up fall 2020 clothing trends. So a lot of them are similar to what they've been in the years before, but leather, plaid, sweaters, obviously. Sometimes they'll have certain colors in season. Just go over things you like, styles you like, look it up on Pinterest. But that was also really helpful with seeing, you know, what trends were in that I've liked in the past and incorporating new things into my wardrobe that I already have. Another thing was I decided to experiment a little bit more with color because more than half of my wardrobe was black. I like black, but I should probably incorporate some more color in there because last year I was wearing a leather jacket pretty much every day, hence why I have 3 of them. So a leather jacket was not another thing that I needed, clearly. So let's go over the things I bought. So this sweater that I'm wearing now is from Nasty Gal. It's like this cute, almost like waffle knit sweater. I love the cut of it, love how it looks. I will insert how it looks here. I think it looks really nice, just French tucked into jeans. It's a very cute sweater. I really like it. Next sweater was this fun one. So you have a turtleneck with it and then some nice balloon sleeves. It's kind of hard to show all of it in this, so that's why I tried it on. It's like a softer sweater material. I will say I was pretty surprised with the quality for how cheap Nasty Gal is. Pretty much always having a 50 or 60% off sale, so you can usually count on that. I am kind of deciding whether I like this one or not. I was expecting a different color. I thought it was going to be more of like a pinky mauve color because of how it looked online, but it's fine. I have 2 sweaters, same color, different styles. Then I bought this dress. Now I love this dress. I think it is so gorgeous. It gives me like these fun 70s vibes with the floral and the yellow and that cute milkmaid style. I love that. It's like a sweetheart neckline and square neckline like combined. I love the length too. It's not too short. I also wanted to incorporate a little bit more color. I love that there's some red in here because it goes well with my hair. And then one thing that I think is super important is a good pair of jeans for fall. I have a good amount of black jeans, but I also got these. These are just classic Levi jeans. The style is 720 and they are high-rise super skinny jeans. They have like nice ripped knees, which I love in classic denim styles, and then it has a little rip on the thigh as well. I just love ripped jeans. I think they're so cute. Okay, now let's move on to shoes. So one thing that I was so guilty of in the past, and I think it's because I usually wore them as work shoes, is just buying cheap boots, which I think is fine, especially if there's a certain style that's in and you're sure it's not really gonna make a reappearance. If you're only gonna wear them a few times, it's not that big of a deal to get something that expensive. But when I did get cheap boots, they would usually rip in places. They just didn't wear as well. I usually had to replace them by the next year, so I was buying boots every single year, like a new pair that would look pretty much exactly the same. This year I decided to invest in some nice boots, and the style and brand that I chose are Doc Martens. So These I just loved. It's just the classic leather. They do have the patent leather that are super shiny, but I felt like this would go with more outfits and not scuff as easily. I felt like it was going to suit my style very well because I have that more edgy style. I love leather. This is just such a classic style that it will stick around for a minute. So I was really excited about this purchase and I'm really glad that I splurged. Another item I bought for fall, I mean, technically winter, but you never know how cold it's gonna get where I live. So I bought this coat, which is actually from Costco, but I was really surprised with how it fit. It has a very nice tapered waist on it. I loved the color and that it was one of those puff coats because those tend to be warmer. And I just really liked the style. The tapered waist sold me, and obviously I'm gonna do black because most of my closet is, and it goes with everything. Alrighty, now this one was a fun purchase for me. I love fragrances. I like one for spring and summer and then another for fall and winter. This one I was surprised by. I bought the Ariana Grande R.E.M fragrance. Now let me just tell you, I'm not really one to purchase celebrity fragrances, and I feel like a lot of celebrity fragrances all smell the same, but this one smells, oh my gosh, it is incredible. It's being described differently by everybody that has tried it, so I wanted to give my description because fragrances smell different on everyone. This is the 1.7 ounce. It comes in a little holder and you just pop it in like that. I loved the color that it's kind of a purple. It reminded me of amethyst, which is my birthstone. I was born in February. The way it smells on me, I already sprayed it a few minutes ago, but I'm gonna spray it again. It's like this sweet but also musky smell. Like when it first goes on me, I can smell those caramel notes. I know that there's some marshmallow in there, vanilla, but then once it starts to set in, I start to smell those delicious woodsy notes. And on me, after it has set in, it is like this nice spicy musky woodsy scent. I am obsessed with it. I did not expect this from an Ariana Grande fragrance because all of the others are very sweet. Like there's, I think, sweet like candy, and just not really my style. I usually like more unique fragrances. It's just this gorgeous, sexy scent. I know it goes a little more floral on people. On me, it's just this really cool, like musky, almost like tobacco scent to it, which I love. I'm obsessed. It just smells so incredible, and you wouldn't really get that from looking at this bottle. Like looking at this, I would think fruity and very floral, but it's just delicious and sexy. I'm obsessed. I sprayed it on yesterday. I bought it at Ulta and I was just sniffing myself in the car the whole time I was driving. Like, it just smells so good. And on top of all of that, I love Ariana Grande. I want to support my girl. Thank you all so much for watching this fall clothing guide. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a little bit different from makeup videos, but I thought it would be fun, and you know, if you guys love beauty, hopefully some of you love fashion as well and liked this video. So if you would like to see more of my future videos, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up as well. I would really appreciate it. My next videos will be some fun Halloween tutorials coming up. Some of those Halloween tutorials will be more complex, where it's more for entertainment, or if you're more of a complex makeup artist, you can follow along. And then others will be a little bit easier to recreate and just, you know, fun videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!